Here's the teepee working away. Nice, big, generous teepee. Hello, welcome to Tea Givener. Now, what we need for starters is a nice cold beer. And then we build a teepee. Come around the side here, and you can see what we've done so far. We got a 6-pole teepee out of 2x4s, and this season we have 20-foot 2x4s. Graduated up from 16-footers, which is easy. We have a 9-inch aluminum ring up on top with 6 U-bolts placed at about a 45-degree angle, and hold our ring in like that. See that? That's our stop. There's our magical teepee ring, and as you can see, all the 2x4s go in there. Those are put in at about a 45-degree angle, and those are just U-bolts, 4-inch U-bolts. It's just that easy. If you clinch over these nails, then when the other 2x4 goes in, it won't interfere with those nails. Okay, let's get the other one. Okay, we have our 3-foot from here. We have about 3-foot here as well, on a 9-foot tarp. Should go together like a okay. Roll the 2x4. 1 full turn. Take our knife. This is excess that'll just get in the way on the top teepee ring. We put this nail in the top so that our 2x4 sticks onto the ring, and that will rest. This will in turn wrap around our teepee ring, and we'll have the excess flap. We'll pull and stretch over on the other side. Okay, let's insert this pole. Is it in, honey? There. We're ready. Now we're going to shingle the tarps. Start from the bottom up. Pull it on straight. More staples on after. The bottom comes out like this. We could put some stuff on there, wood, logs, gas cans, whatever, to keep the bottom closed. Even helps if there's a foot of snow on it too. Okay, well, it's coming along, tarp by tarp, piece by piece. We're getting some nice overlap here, and our tarps are quite straight. Ideally, what we wanted to do, which worked out well, is our tarps are coming at a horizontal angle. So that means they wrap well. Okay, let's go to a game of ball hockey. 2 minutes for that. There we go. Do that with a Eureka tent. And this is the door. Put a 2x4 right here. Stapled our tarps on there. Nailed the 2x4 to this other pole. And just got to cut her open and put a flap on there. Sometimes we get lucky where tarps are a little bit longer. And we just tag it on there and then staple a 2x4 on it and close the door with the 2x4. That holds the end of the tarp from flopping around. But this time we didn't get lucky. We'll get lucky in other areas though. Okay, ta-da, here's our teepee. So what we needed for supplies on this teepee was 6 20-foot 2x4s. Of course our magic teepee ring up on top, which is a 9-inch aluminum pipe with the U-bolts. And 3 tarps per pole, so that's 3 poles with tarps, 9 tarps. The bigger the better, of course. But when you get to the bottom here, you can go with smaller tarps, like from 10 or 14-foot lifts. Anyway, the key was the first tarp that's on top, make it as long as possible. So you could tag it on there. And as you see, we got it on the jerry cans to hold it down. Okay, let's go in and have a beer. Mind you, we don't need it yet because the weather's great, but it will get ugly out. Okay, we got her completed, and that's what she looks like. Got her doorway over there, and we're just barbecuing some chicken over here with some brews. We had a slight little overlap problem. We were just a little bit short. Measurements were off by, I think, 6 inches on our stapling. But other than that, she's working okay. Yeah, here's our doorway. Here, hold that and I'll show you how the doorway works. Put the 2x4 on here, and it's just going to go like that. So it can get bloody cold and we'll be fine. No, nice toasty and warm. Inside we got our inside kitchen. Got our potbelly stove, or our big barrel stove. Flue goes up here, and there's what she looks like inside. Okay, got some lights going up, Christmas lights, so we can sit here and drink beer all night long.
And snow's not an issue.
And tell frickin' teepee stories. Right. Got a pile of wood right there. So we're waiting for the cold, which could come any minute now. There she is. Weather should be good for us.